When you touch the cactus, physical contact with the spines in the stimulus, which can be painful.
Sensory neurons. Specialized sensory neurons in your skin detect this painful sensation. They are activated by the stimulus and generate electrical signals in response to the pain. The electrical signals are transmitted through the peripheral nervous system to the spinal cord and then to the brain. In the brain, the signals are processed and interpreted as pain.
Motor neurons in the spinal cord are activated upon receiving the pain signals from the brain. They transmit signals from the brain to the muscles.
Once the motor neurons receive the signals from the brain, they stimulate the appropriate muscles or glands to produce a physical or chemical response. This response can be voluntary or involuntary.
How does the brain receive the information from the receptor? Information is received by the brain through sensory neurons, which generate the message from one neuron to another.
What does the brain do as soon as it receives the information? It processes the information. It activates neural pathways that facilitate the formulation of an appropriate response. This response is then encoded into electrical signals that travel through the intricate network of neurons within the brain. The neurons work to transmit the response. The formulated response is transmitted through the neuron system to the appropriate muscles.
How is the message from the brain sent as response to the stimuli? Motor neurons convey signals from the brain to other neurons, ultimately reaching the effector.
4. How do sensory and motor neurons work their functions? The sensory neurons are responsible for transmitting impulses from the receptor to the brain, whereas the motor neurons are in charge of transmitting impulses from the brain to the effectors. Upon reception of the message, the skin transmits the information via sensory neurons to the brain. Subsequently, the brain analyzes the information and conveys a response to the through motor neurons.